No Bhattacharya, now only started. So now again discussion about scalar or vector. So that's why. So starting with area Bhattacharya. So now only started. Now only discussion is going on. So today a little more discussion about scalar vector. Intensive discussions. Afternoon only I took half period only. So like 40 minutes around like that. So that's the reason. Now we are going to discuss about more in depth. So more points. So let me know is a scalar or vector. Can you once teach me Newton's third? Every action there is equal and opposite reaction. Every action there is equal and opposite reaction. Okay. So if you throw the ball on the wall, so what are you doing action? So after hitting the wall, it will return back. That is the reaction. When we want to move forward, we are applying force on the ground. So the ground will act a force on us. So equal and react. Hi Tanishka, how are you? Yes. So now we are intensely working on scalar vector. So like a discussion is there. So ready afternoon as we discuss only like a very limited class I took. So due to time schedule, I couldn't able to do it. But I'm good. I'm always good. Yes. Like that. Now we'll work out a few more points. Let me know. I'll be afternoon. I'm in school. Okay, done. Great. Fine. So I didn't attend. Yeah, yeah. Definitely, I can understand. It is necessary, compulsory. So now I just you can see my pinned message. Area is a vector. Area is a vector. Oh my God. Okay. So options. Options. What about yes, sir? Dude gamer. Dude gamer. So I pinned the message from where are you? I'm from Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Scalar, I guess. Oh, great. Ashwin. Ashwin. So I'm talking about sky. I pinned the message. Sir, can you explain human eye chapter 2, please? Sir, I have 80. When you have 80, you're currently staying in Hyderabad only. Tanishka, currently only staying in Hyderabad. Tomorrow, sir. Uh, Tomorrow, human and colorful vote. At what time? But actually, I planned all the schedule, so practice sessions are going on. Here is a vector. ऐसा no. I'll tell at the end. Boss, I can understand, but the thing is, 4:30. I am not taking class at the time. So timings are 3:30 or 6 or 9. Timings 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Anyway, 11 a.m. It's not possible for you. So now schedule is different, boss. Now I'm going to the grade 11, 12, grade 11, 12. So I will tell one thing. I will tell one thing. Srikar already it is there in a YouTube channel. You can watch the live class. La Human and Colorful. I thought I uploaded anyway. Video is available. You can watch. I'll tell one thing. I'll do one thing. You can watch the video. Okay. If you are not get, if you have any doubts, any discussion is required, I will explain tomorrow. I'll tell the schedule. So around 9 p.m. I'll try. Okay. I'll let you know the thing. Both also possible vector and scalar. Oh, dude gamer. So what's your name? Aswin, you said, huh? Aswin. Okay, Aswin. So fine. So we'll see. Remaining students. So just a comment. I will tell the answer. Definitely, I'll tell the answer. I'll tell the answer at 11:20. I'll tell the answer at 11:20. Remaining students try to answer it. Try to answer it. So here is a scalar or vector. So this is for exclusively for grade 11, 12, so and 10 also. But maximum it will be helpful for grade 11 and 12 and NEET and JE students. This session exclusively for them only I am conducting, like a scalar or vector. So physical quantities will discuss those quantities, like actually formula we may not discuss, but now we'll discuss about scalar or vector. Scalar or vector. Physical quantity I will give. It's like a quiz type. It's like a quiz type interaction session. Generally, so till now I didn't go for interactive session because continuously I'm teaching all the chapters. So chapters are going on now. I want to take in the morning time, afternoon time also. I took the class for interactive session. So only half an hour like that I took. So I thought it could be more. It could be more time. So then we can interact with the students. Then automatically we can understand, right? So and so like a quiz type also, like a quiz manner also it will be helpful. That's the reason I came with further more time. So like some more time I will take for a session type, like a quiz type. Okay, so scalar and vector. So those who are studying grade 11, 12 and NEET and JE students also, you can attempt this quiz, and remaining students also try to answer it, and 6, 7, 8, 9, anyone can attempt, because it's a generalized topics. So it will be helpful for even including so NEET and JE students also. So the like a scalar or vector, physical quantity. So a physical quantity I'll be typing, I'll be pinning. Okay, so I'll pin the message. So by saying that one, you have to identify whether it is scalar or vector, whether it is scalar or vector. So that is only today complete interactive session. So like somewhat we need to change the methods. Same method if you are going keep on explaining. Only few members they will. So some people they are not able to get a chance to interact. Okay, listening no. So where is the interaction? There won't be any interaction. If they have any doubts, they will get it. So those who are interested to participate in quiz, we can join. So definitely it is up to you only, I'm telling. Okay. So it is purely depends on you. Because actually I already took the session, but still more time I want to spend on this. That is the reason I'm conducting now. Okay. So we'll see. Now here is scalar or vector. So how many are going to tell? We'll see. Like I'll announce. So those who are saying the answers. User ID Apex said it is a vector area. Okay. Next, Swin said both. Okay. That is also everything I will take it, but final answer I'll tell. Okay. Fine. What about remaining students? What about remaining students? Those who are there in the online live class. So let me know. Area is scalar or vector. Yeah, pin the message. So area is a scalar or vector. Let me know. Area is a scalar or vector. Scalar. Okay. So Ishai man. Okay. Very good. What about remaining students? So I'll tell the answer. I said no. So I hope already completed. So area is a scalar. Area is a scalar. Okay. So scalar quantity. That's enough. Coming to the next one. Volume. Volume is a scalar or vector. Volume. So it's all about scalar or vector. Scalar or vector. Vector. Okay, so let me know. Now you can see volume is scalar or vector. Actually, surface area is different. Surface area is different. Surface area. Oh, Rishita again joined. Oh, very good. So you're only saying, right, continuously. So in the 10th class, right? You joined, right? Okay, done. Rishita, very good. So now, surface area is different, normal area is different, length into breadth into height. Only physical quantity which have only magnitude doesn't have direction. So that we can say. Okay, now scalar. Volume is scalar. Okay, done. So I will tell the answer at 11:26 after 2 minutes. So remaining students try to answer it. Try to answer it. What is volume is a scalar or vector? Volume is a scalar or vector? Volume is a scalar or vector? Come on, everybody. So type your answer. Type your answer. So everyone can participate. It's a quiz time now. It's time for quiz. Quiz time now. So if you have any doubts, you can discuss. Volume is a scalar or vector? Remaining students. So 1 more minute left. 1 more minute left. 1 more minute. Okay, 1 more minute. Last 1 more minute. 11:26. I'll answer the question. 11:26. At 11:26, I'll answer the question. So try it. I pinned the message. Volume is a scalar or vector? Volume is a scalar or vector? Volume. Volume is a scalar or vector? Okay, so John said the scalar. Okay, so it's time for revealing the answer. Volume is a scalar. Very good. Volume is a scalar. Scalar quantity. Volume is a scalar. Okay. Now, so one more. Velocity. Velocity. So scalar or vector? Scalar or vector? Come on, everybody. Try to answer it. Velocity is scalar or vector? Velocity is Shankar Sri vector, Rishita vector, and Mansi vector. Okay, very good. So what about remaining students? As I said, it is an interactive session. John said vector. Very good. So try to answer. Answer. See, it's an interactive session, as I said. Try to interact. Try to answer. Try to. Okay. So it's okay. No problem. If you interact, nothing will happen, right? Yes, no. So you can participate. It's interactive session at the same time. So you can participate in quiz. Quiz. Anyone can join. Anyone can join. Anyone can join this session. So try to join and try to answer it. Try to answer it. So that is the only main thing here. You need to answer. So whether it is whether it is right or wrong, nothing will happen, right? Nope. Right or wrong. So you'll not get any punishments, right? So if you tell whether it is correct or wrong, so that is your choice. Okay. So try to answer it. So velocity is a vector or scalar. Okay, Keno vector done. Very good. So user ID Keno vector, he said. Remaining students try to interact. So try to join. Okay. So you will not lose anything. You will not lose anything if you say wrong answer. Okay. So nothing will happen. Try to answer it. Try to answer it. Nothing will happen. Velocity is a vector quantity, but speed is scalar quantity. Okay, very good. So actually, there is a water. There is a ocean. Ocean. Ocean is there. Okay, done. Come to the point. So come to the point, scalar vector. Come on, be ready. So I'll reveal the answer at 11:31. At 11:31, I'll reveal the answer. So whether velocity is a vector or scalar. Come on. Very good. You will give an explanation. Oh, so distance by, very nice. So he's giving explanation also. Then one. What about remaining? See, it is your completely your interaction. Your interaction. So it's a discussion, right? So you can interact like a quiz manner. So no motivation, only doing work. That only gives motivation to me. Hard work. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Be ready, be ready, be ready, be ready. So, 11, one more minute. Yeah, of course. How, how, how did you know? Trinetra. Trinetra, how did you know? So, directly ask like that. Okay, fine. So, come to the point. Welcome to the myself. I'm Shiva. Okay. My channel name is Student Brand Trinetra. So, which class? Which class are you studying? Oh my god, what a punch. Arey yaar, so we are deviating from the main track. So we are deviating from the main track. Don't deviate from the main track. So there is an interactive session. So every day after the class. Uh, oh, uh, sorry for that, Trinetra. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Uh, but actually, it's a blind rule for me. I don't know. So how to say to that? So interactive session during interaction like that. Current is scalar. So current is a scalar quantity. Do you teach JEE advance? Yes. ఒక సజెషన్ చెప్పండి. సో డెఫినెట్‌గా వింటానండి. చెప్పండి మీరు మీరు సో సజెషన్ ఇస్తానంటే ఖచ్చితంగా ఫాలో అవుతాను. ఓకే. ఓకే. సో కమ్ ఆన్. సో మీరు ఓకే. యూ కెన్ కంటిన్యూ విత్ ద సజెషన్. డెఫినెట్‌లీ ఐ విల్ ఫాలో. So we'll go to the next one, ma. Next one. So velocity is a vector or scalar already. Velocity is a vector quantity. Velocity is a velocity is a vector quantity because it has both magnitude and direction. Velocity is a vector. Okay, done. So next, acceleration is a vector or scalar? Acceleration. Acceleration is a definitely. So what are your given suggestions? I'm happy for it. Definitely, I will take it. So acceleration is a vector or scalar? Come on. Acceleration is a vector or scalar? Uh, okay. Vector. Acceleration. Okay, Rishta, very good. Next one. Vector. Acceleration is a vector. It's nothing but how fast, how slow is changing. Okay. It's very hard to take it. Definitely, I'll take it. Rate of change of acceleration. సో అలా ఏం కాదు. సో ఖచ్చితంగా నేను తీసుకుంటాను. సజెషన్స్, గుడ్ సజెషన్స్ని ఆల్వేస్ వెల్కమ్. డెఫినెట్గా ఎస్, సిన్సియర్గా సజెషన్స్ ఇచ్చే సిన్సియర్గా సజెషన్ ఇచ్చే వాళ్ళు చాలా తక్కువ. సో వాళ్ళలో మీరు ఉన్నారని నేను భావిస్తూ ఖచ్చితంగా నేను యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తాను. ఐ విల్ టేక్ ఇట్. ఓకే, సో ఫైన్. సో వెల్కమ్ టు ద ట్రాక్ అగైన్. Acceleration is a vector quantity. 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 So very good. Next one more. Force. Force is a vector or scalar? Come on, everybody. Force. Force is a vector or scalar? Vector or scalar? Vector or scalar? Acceleration is vector which has both magnitude and direction. Hello, sir. Victor, hi. Huh? Who said force is scalar? I didn't mention, just I am asking whether it's scalar or vector. Tell me like that. Uh, how is force scalar is something I don't know. Dino, so DINO, user ID. I can understand. Let Oh, thank you, Victor. Thank you so much. Dino, actually, I'm asking. Hey, Hussein. Join again. Very good. So, oh, all students, those who are attended in the afternoon session, joining in the evening session. Great, great, great. Nice. Nice, it's going on. Nice, it's going on. Next. Okay, so very good, Victor. Next, what about remaining students? Those who are there in live, try to answer it. Try to answer it. Try to answer it. Force is a vector or scalar. So I pinned the message. I pinned the message. Force is a vector or scalar. So it is completely for student. Okay, a response based quiz. You know, force is vector. Oh, very good. See, you have to tell your opinion. That's enough. Nothing else here. No, so I'm not. No, I'm not denying your answer. I will. Whatever you force is vector. Okay, John. What are you teaching? So it is interactive session. So I can't write anywhere. So it is interactive session. Student can answer. It's like a quiz type. Physics quiz type. So you can just interact. Scalar vector. Any class from say right from 6 to until JE NEET students can attend this type of quiz. Sir, how is work? Last question was actually very nice, sir. Thank you. So actually work is a scalar because force and displacement, force and the dot product of two vectors. Actually it is represented dot product. The dot product is represent is the dot product of two vector is a vector. Okay, the product of two vectors. The dot product of two vectors is a vector. It is a scalar. The dot product of two vectors is a scalar. Okay. So f bar dot s bar equal to fs cos theta. That's one. The definition says that work is the dot product of force and displacement, but that isn't. Okay. So what is your perspective? You tell me. Force and displacement, sir. I am very confused in scalar and vector. Please give me some tips for easy to identify them. So actually here, Abdul, I am telling to you. Actually, units and measurements. I made a video. Units and measurements. I explained everything related to scalars and vectors, exclusively scalars and vectors. So you can see the like a heading, scalar vector. So it is there, right? So in that it will be there. Sir, can you teach dot product, sir? Dot product, I will tell Abdul again, I have no problem, I will tell. So scalar is nothing but the physical quantity which has only magnitude. Magnitude means mass, 2 kg, distance, 1 meter, and like that. So like that. Neither scalar nor vector. That is the answer. Okay. Cross product. Cross product is nothing but the product of two vectors. The cross product of two vectors is a vector. Is a vector. Is a vector. Yeah, stress is a tensor quantity. Very good. Okay, so no one is saying the answer regarding the force. So we are going with the different questions. Okay, so we'll finish it. So we'll go to the next one. The force is a force is a vector quantity. Done. So next one, we'll go to the energy. I'll give energy. So work and energy. So anyway, energy look like ah, oh my god, energy is a vector or scalar. Energy is a vector or scalar. Vector or scalar. Energy is scalar. Okay. Oh my god, going everything fast. Pin message. Rishita scalar. Okay, Hussein scalar. And the next one, Aniraks, good evening. Good evening, Aniraks. Dot product of two vectors. Work. So scalar. Okay. Yours. Force and displacement are both vectors. If somehow try to use cross product here, then that become vector. It means only mathematically. It is. Okay. So next, remaining students, get into the topic. Get into the topic. So energy is a scalar or vector. Energy is a scalar vector. So try to answer it. Attempt. That's enough. It's like a quiz. It's like a quiz. Okay, na? So quiz. Everyone can answer your. So you can attempt quiz, whether it is correct or not. Leave it about it. Okay. So attempt. So try to answer it. Right. So what is energy? Scalar or vector? Dot product is scalar. That's why energy is scalar. Okay. John work is scalar quantity. Okay. So what about remaining students? So I'll be going to give the answer at 11:47. So I'll be giving answer at 11:47. Try to answer it. 11:47. I'm going to give the answer. So try to let me know it. Anirak scalar. Wow. Anirak is a student or teacher. So every time joining the class and saying hi, that's enough. So immediately leave the class. But today, so I got answer from Manirax. Uh, are you student or teacher? Anirax. Anirax user ID. Work is a scalar. Okay, Victor. Oh, energy or work. Okay. Okay. Done. So torque is a scalar or vector. So discuss something about energy vector. Okay, so come on. So no torque. Okay, time for revealing the answer. Time for revealing the answer. Nice idea. Okay, definitely I'll work out. So what are you? See, suggestions always acceptable. Suggestions, if you are giving, definitely it will be acceptable. Okay, I'll take it. So he given that Victor, nice Victor. I'll do it. I'll try to follow it. Okay. So then next, energy is a scalar. Come on, next, energy is a scalar. Boss, not only from me. So those who want to discuss regarding the vector. So healthy discussion is required. Healthy discussion is required. So we are discussing. That's enough. We are discussing. That's enough. So we are not trying to prove what we are. So we are trying to discuss. to 1 minute to get more concept. So that is the reason. The main motto of this class is to discuss and improve our subject. That's enough. That is else, nothing else. Okay. Try to discuss in a positive way. Those who are interacting with each other. So try to discuss. That's absolutely fine. Power is a scalar or vector. Come on. So yes, sir. There are some combinations scalar and vector also when we are cost product, dot product, physical quantity. Yeah, of course. That is the reason. The 100%. So now discussion is going on, right? So about that one, okay, scalar, power is scalar. No, related to quantities, what we are discussing. So there are number of tensor quantities are there. So like inertial, non-inertial frames. So inertial frame and non-inertial frame. So see, once you see physics is like that. If you go, sun is there. If you go near to the sun, you will burn. If you go away from the sun, you will freeze. Physics is like a sun. So I hope you got it, right? So we have to discuss, but if you go in depth, it's like a lot more points, lot more depth. Okay, fine. Let it be. Come to the point. Actually, whether it is correct or wrong, I don't know. Recently, whatever the Newton worked out. So those laws, Newton's laws, like first law, second law, third law. So those papers are no, those papers are so it came out. Those papers came out in like social media like that. So that time they understood the laws in a different way. So whatever Newton kept his work on the paper is different, complete to the output what it came out. Means those who have written in the books, those who have mentioned, so maybe it is different. So like that, there is no complete clarity in that. That's the reason. But whatever we know, whatever present discussion is going on regarding laws, those laws we can discuss. Those laws present, whatever the laws we are it's going on, whatever the laws. Hey Dinesh, huh? Okay, fine. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Okay, so now what is the power? Scalar or vector? Scalar vector. So power is a scalar quantity. Boss, power is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. Power is a scalar quantity. Okay. Next one. Frequency is a scalar quantity. Oh my god. So stress is a scalar or vector. Someone asked. Stress is a scalar or vector. Scalar or vector. We must think out of the box, boss. See, my motto is to do all these things. My motto of doing all these experiments, all this, like this is not called the too much big also. It's very little, very small activities what I am doing. Very, very small. 0.0000. So after so many zeros, there is one more point. Even we can't able to see that point also. That much small. That much small. So the point, the message what I'm conveying to you all is think out of the box. That's enough. Think out of the box. Whether you are doing good or not, whether we are doing good or not, whether we are doing so whatever you are doing, so you must do good compulsory. Okay, so in that good itself, you have to think out of the box, where you people can't able to imagine about it. Imagine about it. So one person asked, I so I am very surprised to know read that question. That is, so one person asked, "Are you a teacher?" like that. So see, when you are thinking out of the box, when you are thinking out of the box, so people will see you in a different manner. Definitely, they will see you in a different manner. I say, "Eh, what is this one? Like something new, something innovative, something little change, 0.0000, maybe zero. That after so many zeros, there may be one. Even that 1% is different also. Create lot of difference. That is what I'm doing. That's enough. Okay, so more explanation, more motivation is not required. So you can check, you can see my channel name, Student the Brand. There itself you can understand. Student the Brand. The one who is learning continuously will become brand. Okay, so that is our brand. Oh, so just a small motivation. This whatever I'm doing is, so indirectly I'm giving a extraordinary motivation, strong dedication, motivation by seeing, at least by seeing me, at least they'll think. So education is not only going in the same manner, thinking in the same way. Okay, so going, preparing the facts, remembering the facts, writing on the exam. So not only that one, so don't stop until that point. Don't stop until that point. Still, you can continue. Still, you can do experiments in your own field. What are you doing? You are studying now, so you are preparing the concepts. You are preparing the concept. Sorry for it. So in middle, we are going with a different mode, but still, it is necessary. One or two. So that is it. I already said it's interactive class. Interactive class. That's why. So you can check my channel from day one onwards. Whatever I'm uploading, all the videos. So if you want, you can check once all the videos on my YouTube channel. There is a little more. There is, even if I'm doing any single video, there is small change compared to regular ones. Definitely, by seeing this video, so what is these things, how it is possible, even we couldn't able to think all these things in that way also, like that. Okay, so by seeing this get up, will you think so? Will I'm teaching or not? Or so just now I got that. I'm very surprised by seeing that line. Seeing that line. Really, it is required. Really, it is required for me. Why? Because at least by seeing me, the students will think in different approach. The way of we are seeing the things must be in different way, in a positive way, in a positive way, definitely in a positive way. So we have to give a creative thought to your work, creative idea to your work. Okay, so you must do little creative in your work, little creative, maybe. So we should not use, but little crazy, not too much, little crazy. Okay, little, but little creative. So much creative, not little, so much creative. You must be full of creative things. No one even imagine. So whether we have to be like this or not. Okay, whether it will be hit or not, leave it about it. We have to do our work. Finally, efforts. Finally, we have to answer it ourselves, right? At the end of the day, So whether you are going to write board exam, yes. So you'll do lot of hard work, but in exam you'll not get result. What is use of that? If you didn't get the result, what is use of that? So you'll feel very sad. You'll feel very sad, so much, so very disappointed manner. Disappointed manner. The problem is the path what you are going. You're not recognizing. You are using your valuable time to work for one goal. Okay. So throughout year, 2 years or 1 year, so how many years we are working? So maybe it is depending on the exam. Okay. So if you JEE take 2 years from so from sixth onwards also some people they are working still nowadays they are working like 100% for JEE NEET. Okay. So that many years you are working, that many years you are doing, right? So if you're not little creative and if you're not enjoying the learning process, so somewhere at the end, if you're not getting results, maybe so expect the results. If you get results, so extraordinary, you are the winner. If you did not get the result, so what you are, no, what you are exactly? What is it? What is your, no, in your point of view? So what exactly you? That is required. That is required. So you must be little creative. That's enough. Nothing else. So whatever we are doing, it must be helpful to the. It should be helpful to others. The things what we are doing, compulsory. It should be helpful to others. Then we have to do our work. So one or some other day, definitely in your work, really it is worthy. Definitely it will be going to use it. I believe that. Do work. So enjoy the process. So be creative. Use your brain. I will tell one thing. So the papers what published. So I am very much impressed by seeing this line. The line. What is that? So even recently, NEET exam also they worked on it. So this point, that is, those who are learning physics, they can do remaining subjects well. How? Because physics gives the activeness to the unactivated areas in our brain. There are many cells. Even Einstein used little bit of no knowledge. There is so much use is there in human brain. So there is so much knowledge, but how much you are utilizing intelligence? So much intelligence is there. How much we are utilizing our brain? So it's very less we are utilizing. So why don't you go with the beyond the point, out of the box? Out of the box. Be out of the box in a positive direction. That is very important. In a positive direction, be out of the box. People think so. The one this person is doing different than others. It's fine. It's not necessary. Required. Okay. So because of that, because of those people, the people who are doing in a different way, in a creative way, so because of them only, so we are leading a successful, healthy life, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? So we are leaving this comforts where it started. So with uncomfortable situation, with the uncomfortable situation only, so they invented all these experiments, all these inventions. Because of that only, because of those things only, right now we are living, okay, so with the happy life. Still people are there, so many are there, so many are there doing, still they are doing in a creative manner, better manner. So from my side, by seeing me, so students should get motivated to think in out of the box. Don't go with the regular method, normal method. So like what we can say, without any activeness, without any energy. So if you're going in a normal mode, if you're going to act so without energy, with the normal mode, so that is not acceptable. We must enjoy the process. We must be creative in our own path, at the same time in our own way also. Only 1% difference enough. Okay, so if you're doing 1 percentage difference from others, that is enough, that's enough. Day by day it will increase, day by day it will increase. So one day, so every day you can drop one coin. Okay, so after 30 days, 30 coins. Will you able to do in one day? No. Sir, if you are taking 30 chapters, in our way we will discuss. 30 chapters are there. If you read it at least every day, half chapter or one chapter every day, after 30 days you are reading, you learned 30 chapters. Is it possible to do 30 chapters in one day? You will get stress, pain, anxiety, so hypertension. Like this, so many things will get. Yes, sir. 30 chapters in one day, it's not possible. So we can't able to complete. But one chapter it is, we can do it, right? Yes. Do things in a creative manner, in a right direction, in a proper direction. Be out of the box. That is required. Okay. So we went into the different mode. Sir, it is AC physics lectures. Between sir is absolutely correct. We should enjoy our podcast. Also, sir, I think we should small. Okay, so yes, that's enough. So that is a process. That is a thing. So I want to discuss with you all and with my motive. So whatever I'm doing all these things. So if I continue, it will go beyond the point. Let it be. So one day I will teach. One day I will tell all the points. So whatever experiments I did and whatever the in things. So not so much. It's very little. Whatever I'm doing, very small things in a different way. That's enough. Nothing else. So we'll see. Okay. So one day I will show you all my creative thoughts, creative ideas, creative things towards physics. That's enough. Right? Okay, then come to the point. Uh, thoda आता. So I'm trying to learn. Definitely I'll learn. Okay, so those who are there, those who are being in the online. So if you want, try to answer it. Try to answer it. Pressure. Pressure is a scalar or vector. Pressure is a scalar or vector. Scalar or vector. Pressure is a scalar or vector. So if you like this content, if you like this video, so do like, share, and subscribe to Student Brand. So you can inform your friends. You can inform your friends, ask them to join to the classes. So content will be given in the best possible way, definitely. So you can understand. If you have any doubts, you can reach me. And mm, so answer will be given 12:09. It's up to you. I already said it is quiz time. Up to you. So you can join and attempt. Mhm. So pressure is a scalar or vector. So remaining students, Rishita, very good scalar. Next remaining students, those who are there in live, try to answer it. Try to answer it. Try to answer it. Pressure is scalar or vector. Okay, John. Nice. What about remaining students? Pressure is scalar or vector? Okay, coming to the answer, pressure is a scalar. Pressure is a scalar. Pressure is a scalar. So, thank you so much for joining and interacting and answering the questions. So, so we'll see in the tomorrow next class, 11 a.m. So live classes are 11 a.m., 3 p.m., 3:30 of course, 3:30 p.m. afternoon, 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. So you can join and thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, of course. Yes. Thank you so much for everyone. So we'll see you in the next class. So signing off. Thank you.